Hi, here's a brief tutorial about preparing files for output to SignCut and to your vinyl plotter. Sometimes when creating files in design software such as Illustrator, CorelDRAW, or even Inkscape, files may appear to preview correctly in the native design program, but when viewed in outline mode, we'll see that we won't get what we intended. You'll see here that we'll have all kinds of intersecting lines and the offset isn't showing. The reason the offset isn't showing is because in this particular case the offset was created using the stroke tool, and by thickening the stroke in the view mode it appears to have an offset. What has happened here though is actually the offset matches the same vector path as the fill. So it won't cut properly and it won't preview properly. So to correct that, first thing I would suggest is that we would select the whole file. And we'll do that from the select menu, choosing all. And then we'll go down here where we have the stroke. We've pulled that to the front, so that will now be impacted by any changes we make. And we're going to select none. We've now done that. Now there is no longer a stroke. We can deselect, and now we'll take a look at our results. Doesn't appear to have changed, but we've removed the stroke. So we'll go back and select each individual letter, holding down the Shift key so that we can select all of the text. Once we've selected the text, we're going to go to the Object menu. From the Object menu, under Path, we're going to choose Offset Path. About 7 points is close to what you had originally selected with the stroke. So we're going to preview that and see how that looks. That looks about right. So we're going to go ahead and click OK to offset the path. And now the path is still selected. Let's look at that in outline mode and see how that looks. Okay, the offset looks about correct. We'll switch back to preview. And now we're going to go to select the logo you have here by holding down the Shift key so that we'll select the logo and the offset from the text. And then from the Shape menu, which can be found in the Pathfinder flyout, and you'll find that here in the Windows toolbar, Pathfinder. So we're going to select minus front, which will remove the offset and cut it out from the background logo. And once we've done that, it appears to show the offset that you had originally tried to duplicate using stroke. Let's look at that in outline mode and see how that compares to our original file. And we'll deselect it so we can take a better look at it. And that looks about like what I believe you had intended. Let's send this file to SignCut and take a look at it in SignCut. And that looks about correct. Should you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us again. I hope this video has helped you resolve your issue with file preparation, and thank you again for choosing SignCut.